Have you ever paid attention to the management structure of a restaurant? There you find a team of chefs, helpers, and another team of servers or stewardess. Mostly, the head chef is the owner of the restaurant, but when it comes to interacting with customers, the manager often comes in the role. Can you say why is it that a chef doesn't monitor the operations of their own restaurant? Here comes operations management, which is the difference between being a great chef and running a successful restaurant. You might have all the skills to impress someone with your culinary skills, but running a restaurant is the core function of your business. Only in rare scenarios, chefs do volunteer to manage everyday operations. The need for operations management may seem less obvious since they don't produce any tangible goods. Operations can impact all the areas in the company from top to bottom and from leadership to the front office. We can say operations management is the lifeblood of any organization as it is all about transformation. Hi, my name is Surksha, and in this video we will look at the global operations process and its challenges. Stay tuned to learn how operations management impacts overall productivity and profitability of any business enterprise. Operations is one of the main function or department, you could say, of almost any organization. It is the core daily activities that creates and delivers value to the customer. Operations has to work closely with other business entities such as support, finance, marketing, or communication. But it's the operation where the real doing gets done. Let's talk about operations management for clear understanding. Basically, operations management is responsible for designing, delivering, developing, and directing the overall operational activities of any organization. It's a dynamic process that keeps on changing as per market changes. Also, it is a continuous process and it is engaged by organizations for managing its activities as long as they continue their operations. There is a person designated as operations manager who plays a vital role in planning, strategizing, and implementing various operational policies and also responsible for directing the overall operations. I hope you got a brief idea of what operations management is. Now, let's talk about a few major functionalities that operations management team has to perform with an example. Capacity planning. In the restaurant, the manager has to aim to keep things running at maximum efficiency with less wastage. Inventory management. It's the common for a restaurant to source their supplies from multiple vendors, but the manager has to make everything available so that the customer will get their food on the table. The third one is forecasting. The manager has to use historical data to predict upcoming sales volume for a given period of time to make informed decisions about the restaurant's operations, including purchasing, staffing, hiring, etc. Working as a help desk or the backup management. Sometimes, in absence of help desk officer, the manager has to work there. Also, they have to manage backup for everything that might be needed in future. Another one is facilitating management. The major functionality of the operations manager would be assisting upper management to get updates with what is going on inside an organization. Last but not the least is productivity improvement by inspecting various policies. Operations management plays a vital role in facilitating various other departments in improving productivity by inspecting actual impact and finding out what policy is needed so that the process would be improvised. Let's dive into the cruciality of effective operations management in any organization. Operations management helps in standardization of work. It helps in planning as well as coordinating. It helps in maintaining sustainability of any organization's day-to-day process and activities. It also helps in identifying improvements to achieve reduced cost while maintaining the quality. It helps in attracting and retaining global talents. Also, it helps in cross-cultural learning. It seems we have discussed more on just the bright side of operations management. Let me show you a few challenges that might affect operations management. The first one is globalization. Nowadays, we have shifted our focus from local to the global market. Another one would be purchasing strategy. Operations management has to consider chain partnering instead of low bid purchasing, as quality control in reduced cost has been another major challenges for operations management. Similarly, sustainability, system design, effective communication, ethical conduct, etc. are also considered as major challenges. Moving job specialization to empowering employees or the team is also a challenge for operations management these days. Digital innovations are already making the management of operations more effective. These innovations boost the organization's performance higher and more efficiently and to the greater profitability. Let's talk about a few trends in global operations management. The first one is business process re-engineering. It is a strategy that helps business in restructuring their organization. Another one would be automating repetitive and time-consuming processes. The third one is streamlining communication tools and technologies. Utilizing communications tools for your organization can be vital during this time, especially as new information is being broadcasted and exchanged on a daily basis. The fourth one is prioritizing employees' well-being. Another is ensuring clear and efficient communication to improve productivity. Speedy issue resolution is another trend in global operations management these days. Issues are bound to crop up in the day-to-day running of a business. Rather than try and prevent them, instead focus on the effective issue resolution system. Advancement in technology is also an ongoing trend as the technologies are changing in the rapid rate. The eighth trend of global operations management in our list is health and safety emphasis. It is important to remain updated and understand the importance of health and safety when attempting to improve our facility. Do you know other benefits and challenges of operations management in working with global team? Please feel free to share it below in the comment section. You never know, your solution could be featured in our next video. Until next time, please stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you very soon.